Here we go with a fast and furious look at how our planet formed. And we're going to start with how the universe formed. Here are the learning outcomes for Unit 2B, which, remember, you should write down in your notes. And then you can follow those outcomes with notes from the video. What we're actually going to do is you're going to watch a video that I didn't make, but it is from the City College of San Francisco collection that a colleague of mine made. As you watch this video, which is labeled Intro 2B.2, I want you to think about the following questions, and these are the answers that you should sort of come up with by the time you're done watching. What is the Big Bang? And when did it occur? And how do we know that timing of when it occurred? How do stars form? Now, this is not an astronomy class, but we do have a star in our solar system, and the Earth goes around it, so we have to include stars. How do the elements of the periodic table form? This is important because rocks and minerals are all made of elements, so we want to know where those came from. When did our solar system form, and how do we know the age? How do we know when our solar system formed, when our Earth formed? And how did the inner and outer planets form when our solar system formed? Our inner planets are quite different from our outer planets. The inner planets closest to the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and they're rocky and sometimes called terrestrial. The outer planets are gaseous. They're mostly made of ices and gas, and those include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There's a brief discussion of why those two types of planets formed, and it has to do with how close they were to the Sun. Okay. So next, I'd like you to start that video, keep those questions in mind, and the following video after that, I'll give you some answers.